Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Now this video is all about the painting behind me called Paradise, which is a multi-tonal leap into all things tropical and colourful. Let's go and take a closer look. Now I created this painting using a unique watercolour technique. In fact, this enormous piece saw me thin down my paints so that I could pour them onto a pre-coated canvas and treat them as if they were, well, water. I mean, it really is a carnival of colour. But this only tells half the story, as I created the whole painting in one session whilst broadcasting on our weekly live streams. Don't get me wrong, the pressure is real, even though I never show it, and on this occasion I was having an absolute blast, and I think you can tell that in the mix of vibrant and varied colours. From the outset I wanted to make something tropical. I love all those rich, indulgent colours that nature produces, where the air is warm and the soils are fertile. I'm immediately drawn to thoughts of coastal paradises somewhere as I let the colours and forms just whisk me off to some remote Caribbean island or other far-flung place. That's another great word to use in association with this large original painting, and that's carnival. And each time you look at it, it feels like it's a real celebration of life. Each carefree twist and turn is packed full of energy and movement, and there's never a dull moment with this in the room. The technique is remarkably simple, but incredibly effective. You get your paints, mix in the thinners, and then pour this thinned mixture onto a pre-base coated canvas, which in this case was white. All you need is a flat surface to work on so that the paint doesn't fall away, and that's it. After a period of time with the painting, I applied more thinners to areas that needed a little help to move and form with the other paints. The process is very cathartic actually, and the whole broadcast is a complete joy to watch. I'll pop a link to that in the description, and also one in the corner of the screen. And that is Paradise. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this, and don't forget to look out for more quick look videos coming to the channel soon.